Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic, and this is the Sunday Walgreens in-store video. So we are shopping in-store to get register rewards and make some magic happen, and this is for the week of May the 18th to the 24th, and lots of new deals popping up, including some free deodorant dry sprays. Now, this morning I went and got a print, and the 5 back when you spend 15 printed for me. We also have this photo promotion code of ordering an 11 by 14 poster for $1.99 using the code post same day. So it's some significant savings right there. And will a booster print for you? Yes or no? It's unknown, but it printed for me this morning. Don't forget to put your phone number in when you're at the photo counter or doing it at the front cash register, and hopefully one will print for you today. No digital booster for a basket, but we still can make some deals happen this week. Before we dive into the deals, if you guys could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. It really would mean a lot to me and the channel if you could take a second and like the video. Thank you so much in advance, guys. So the first deal we're going to talk about is with the Degree Whole Body $9.99 Dry Spray BOGO 50% off. So what you're going to do for this one is grab 2 of them. You can mix and match a men or a women's or whatever your store might have, but make sure you grab 2. We have this digital coupon, which is a 10 off of 2. It was there also last week, so it's of a one-time use, so hopefully you're still able to use it. Fetch also has this rebate of 4,000 points back when you buy 2. So you are going to achieve that. And this is a new rebate, and it's over at Walgreens. So a very basic deal. 2 of those dry sprays on a BOGO 50% off at $9.99 is $14.98. Subtracting that very large coupon, you're going to pay $4.98. Get back a $2 register reward, and then photograph your receipt for 4,000 points back from Fetch, making this free plus a $3 money maker. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, spend it to earn that register reward and the 4,000 points back from Fetch. Okay, the next deal that we have is on the Axe. It's a fine fragrance mist, and this one is called Cherry Spritz. $9.99 on a BOGO 50% off. We have a 6 off of 2 digital coupon. Now this is where it gets interesting. My Fetch rewards is 2,750 points back when I buy 2. Yours might be 4,000. So if you have the higher value ones, it's going to be a freebie. Along with my IBOTTA is $1 back. Yours might be $3 or $2 back. So depending what it is, might be a freebie. So looking at what I have, grabbing 2 of those on a BOGO 50% off, that's $14.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $8.98. Get $2 back from IBOTTA, like $2.70 back from Fetch, making it $4.28 for the 2 for me. Alternatively, if you have higher ones, it's going to be a complete freebie. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, just to pay it down. There's no register rewards with this one, but if you just don't want to pay that amount, yes, you can use Walgreens cash without a booster. The next deal we're looking at is with the Fibbreze Air effect. And yet we have another story of my IBOTTA rebate might not be as good as yours, but a lot of you were telling me you have dollar rebates back for each can with a limit of up to 5. So grabbing 4 of those for 10, you'll pay the 10. Photograph your receipt for $4 back from IBOTTA. So it makes it $6 for the 4 or $1.50 per can. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but to get a can of the Fibbreze Air Effect for $1.50, that is a fantastic price point, especially if you want to grab some summer scents. Okay, the next couple deals are all about shampoo. The first is with these Aussie Stylers for $5.99 on a BOGO 40% off, $2 reward when you purchase 2. Plus, we have this digital coupon, so make sure you load it. It's a manufacturer. So grabbing 2 of these stylers, probably the hairspray, that'll be $9.58. Subtracting your digital coupon, pay $7.58. Get back your $2 register reward, making it $5.58 for the 2 or $2.79 per styler. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but we usually don't get deals for like these larger like hairsprays and stuff. So I think this is definitely not a bad little deal to do. Now, this is where they kind of threw us the curveball. The 5 off 2 digital is for both the Dove and the Tresemmme. So you must pick which you want to do, the Dove or the Tresemmme. The cheapest this week would be the $5.99 Tresemmme, and I'm going to show you the bottle here. Here it is. On a buy one, get one 50% off, $2 reward when you buy two. It's the smaller bottle of this Tresemmme Moisture, which is the shampoo. So grabbing two of these on a buy one, get one 50% off, that's $8.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $3.98. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $1.98 for the two, or 99 cents per bottle. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that register reward. Now, guys, if you remember what I just said a couple seconds earlier, that the Tresemmme and Dove coupon are the same. Now, $5.99 compared to $6.79. The Tresemmme is a little bit cheaper of a deal, so I would probably go with that because it's 80 cents less. I have this in my yesterday's matchups, if you want to look at the math, at $6.79 a pop. Now, we also have this Colgate at $4.50, $4 reward when you purchase two. And we also have this digital coupon that's attaching, which is a 4 off of 2 the Colgate products. This is a basic deal here. Two of these toothpastes will be $9. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for two, or 50 cents per toothpaste. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. I get the feeling that a lot of people are probably going to be getting this booster. So we're going to throw this into a deal this week. And what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to grab two of the Tresemmes for $8.98. And then two of those Colgates, that deal I just showed you. So the total for those two is $17.98. You get the cashier to scan your booster, and then you have $9 in digitals melting off, $5 for Tresemmme, $4 for Colgate. That's how I'm getting $9. With your debit card, you're going to pay $8.98. Get back $6 in register rewards, $2 for Tresemmme and $4 for Colgate, plus $5 in Walgreens cash, making this free plus a $2 moneymaker. Do not use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. If you might have a manufacturer register reward from last week, such as a Garnier or whatever deal you were doing, and it says manufacturer at the top of the register reward, you could also throw that in to get your out of pocket a little bit less. Just a rule of thumb. The next deal I would use this on, if you might have another one, is on the Tide deal this week. It is to buy 4 select P&G laundry care products to get back a $5 register reward on Bounce, Downy, Gain, or Tide products, priced at $5.49. A lot of these products have digital coupons, so make sure you have them all loaded. And just a basic deal for those laundry care products by P&G is $21.96 at $5.49 a pop, subtracting $4 in digitals. Get the cashier to scan your paper booster of a 5-back when you spend $15. Pay $17 with your debit card, $17.96. Get back $5 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash for your booster, making it $7.96 for the 4, or $1.99 per product, which is fantastic. Do not use any Walgreens cash as you're using the booster of spend $15 to earn back $5. This is a newish product at Walgreens. It is the Bronny like triple ply, and I don't know, I think it's a great product. $3 reward when you purchase 2. It's on the same promotion as the Vanity Fair napkins, so don't do it in the same transaction or only one register reward will print. And you're going to load your $2 off and the $1 off, so $3 off in digital coupons. So grabbing 2 of these paper towels priced at $6.99, subtracting $3 in digitals, you'll pay $10.98 out of pocket. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $7.98 for the 2, or $3.99 per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And this paper towel seems to last a really good long time in our household, so I'm always happy when I see it for $6.99. Typically, it's $8.99 on a non-sales week. I just wanted to throw a couple other items at the very end of this video, including this Fruity Pebbles for $1.88. The original price is $5.99. So, like, what some tremendous savings this week. We're going to look at other food deals in our curbside later this week. We have a lot of pet toys and pet supplies at 75% off. And I know a lot of us love animals. So even if you wanted to buy a bunch of this for the SPCA, I'm sure there's a lot of dogs that would really appreciate it. So it's a little fetcher with the ball and the fetcher. Really fantastic. And then while I was just tap dancing in the dollar spot section at my Walgreens, I found this new product, which is makeup wipes, 30 count makeup wipes for $1.25. I don't know if that's an error or if they want us to buy these makeup wipes. I have never seen this though before. I know a lot of you love makeup as much as I, and this is a disposable product that a lot of us use. So for $1.25, make it happen. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.